What? Okay. Well, I'm guessing in the bag. Everyone has my Porsche design jacket. They're everywhere here in the Philippines. Happy New Year. Just starting to get my appetite back. Came into Max Cow looking for soup, but they don't have any soup. Darn it. All right, what next? There's Cat. Is that her nickname or real name?
Nickname.
Well, it suits her well, yeah? No, she's nice. Babe.
We put our stuff here first, then you can play, okay? Okay?
Let's go, baby.
They don't have much.
No, they don't. Not a lot of options.
Yellow pork curry. Tumira. What? What? On the water. What about the water? How? How we do this?
How did she do that?
How did she do that?
Mira do though with the water? Well, that doesn't look anything like the picture, does it?
It's orange.
Hmm?
Yeah, and it's very small portion. When we taste it, it's gonna be good. Let's see.
Let's see the picture in the menu. There.
Looks like it.
No, it's that one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Do the honors, babe?
I'm gonna wait for the rice.
You're gonna wait for the rice? Okay. You're gonna give him a chance, huh?
Should we mix this?
It's not even the red chicken curry.
No, you said yellow.
Yellow, yeah. It's green. That's green.
It's green.
You know what they probably did is put pork instead of chicken in the green curry. Instead of red chicken curry.
Is this pork?
I don't know, is it?
Hold it. I think.
It's pork. So
No,
basically,
we want chicken.
basically she didn't listen to anything about the order. Yeah. And okay. Well, that's a big 2 thumbs down, or 10 thumbs down. This is a case when we literally can't even finish it. I mean, I can eat a lot of different stuff, but it's just bad. So once again, Any restaurant on the way to the beach or on the beach is not going to be a pleasant experience. Usually, there may be some exceptions, but yeah. So that's definitely a zero. That's not zero, that's negative points. One of my pet peeves is, I don't expect like 5-star, but you know, something decent. Especially after getting healthier, getting my appetite back. Yeah, I started to want to eat something, and then they serve us absolute garbage. That was terrible. Nice looking establishment, and that's about as far as that goes.
What's your cravings now? Do you want to eat?
No, I'm too irritated. Yeah.
Okay.
I love Thai food.
Yeah, but that was terrible. It doesn't even taste anything.
Yeah. I mean, I don't want to sound whiny or picky, but I mean, I've eaten some pretty different stuff, but that was just bad quality. Made a realization. So it really looks like food that was made yesterday and microwaved. Everything looked like,
It's already
reheated and and already made.
5 minutes, baby.
Yeah,
How
definitely.
can you cook a curry for 5 minutes?
Yeah.
I wanna learn.
That's a good point.
And it's not even hot.
Yeah.
Not even hot at all.
They just took some crap out of the freezer and threw it on a plate.
It's a good looking place though.
Yeah, it's a very nice building. Nice deco.
Yeah.
Interior's nice. Yeah, they did. And then crappy food. But that's what a lot of places do though. They make the place look nice. Uh-oh. Starting to rain. Another one up here called Mist. And it looks really cool. It's made out of wood and bamboo and stuff. Really cool looking place. 2-story. But the food is horrible.
Remember your burger?
Right, I was just thinking about how to say that. How do I describe that burger?
Well, your burger,
Yeah.
first of all, the bun
Bun, yeah.
is black.
Yeah, black.
and in the middle, it's burned.
And burned.
Black and burned.
Yeah. Burned. The bun was black, the hamburger was black, it was all black, and it was horrible. I mean, when you eat at a restaurant, you don't expect, like, it doesn't all have to be 5-star, right?
Yeah.
But it should be, like, pleasant to eat.
Why you gonna color your bun black?
No, they just burnt the crap out of it. It was burnt. It was burnt.
And then the inside,
The beef patty
The beef.
was all...
It has a bone on it, right?
Yeah, it had bone in it, yeah. And it was hard as a rock.
Yeah.
Huh?
We're expecting it to be fell out of the bone, but when you beat it, it's like you can't even take it out.
Yeah. That's why once we know a good restaurant, we just keep going back. Yeah, we stick to it. Yeah. There's like,
If it's expensive, it's worth your money.
yeah, like right there, we just wasted 600 pesos, you know, and it's not the end of the world, but that's a very good pizza at Vanilla Sky. And it's pleasant to eat. You enjoy it.
I just want
Aww.
rain. Where? Over there.
Oh yeah, actually the story about the burger is this one, Molly. But Mist is the sister restaurant that's just to the left up here. And it kind of looks like a birdhouse. It's like 3 stories high, bamboo and wood. And it's a very cool looking place, but the food's awful. This is the one, Molly, yeah. That's the first one here.
Over there.
What's over there? The Jello? Yeah. You like the Pagello?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's go to the swimming pool, baby.
But
Or maybe take a nap first.
no, don't take a nap. Only swimming pool.
Don't take a nap, only swimming pool. Rain, rain, rain.
Hindi kayo magsa-South Pao?
Nagsatang kayo today, ano? I tried it once.
At the Thai restaurant?
Yeah.
We tried
What did you try?
fried rice, seafood fried rice. Yung ship nila, babe, parang ano na, parang isang linggo nang pinafry.
Not fried. Ano?
The shrimp also, the look of the shrimp is like
Much smaller
very old.
and old,
Yeah.
and I think less, right? In the
Less.
picture, it was like
And it's small.
many. Yeah. I forgot about that too. Yeah.
Then nag-order kami ng yellow chicken curry. 280 naman yung fried rice, then 380 yata yun. So, nag-order kami yellow chicken curry. Ang dumating, green pork curry.
Oh my God.
How
Ano po
tough
si...
is that? No.
And it was obviously like microwave. Like the beans were all wrinkly and
Parang minutes lang.
Leftover from...
yeah, exactly.
Tapos wala
Yesterday.
pang masyadong lasa.
Wow, change agad. Oo, ang ganda ng post. Tapos yung kulay rich ay yung background.
Anong phone yun sa kuya mo?
iPhone. Basta iPhone talaga maganda.
11 lang yun. Yes, iPhone,
iPhone 11.
it's iPhone 11, the one that they used last night.
Yeah, iPhone
For
11.
photos.
And
It's already good enough.
oh yeah,
27K.
7K.
iPhone
27.
27. Yeah.
That's the phone also I use in Christmas. You remember with my white dress? It's actually a really nice camera with
You're right.
at night and then with the flash even you're at the beach. Because of the lights ba magano
Ibang-
sa
ibang-
reflect
ibang-
sa skin mo. So it's very pretty.
Sayang.
I guess ngayon na lang yung bibilin ko kasi iPhone 14 I don't wanna...
The 12 Max Pro is the best camera for the money. The 12 Max Pro.
How much
But
is
it's
it?
nasa 37?
35. Yeah, I think you could find it for 35.
Yeah, 35 is not that. I mean, it's still okay. Because 64 type iPhone 14 bag.
Yeah, that's
But yeah, it's too much. for me.
expensive. Yeah.
Hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Where are you? Hello, Daddy.
Time to make up again, I guess.
No. Yeah, make out.
Makeup. Kasi makeup lab.
Dito, hindi mo pa kinuha kanina.
Here, Angie.
Happy New Year, everyone. Let it go.
Pasitana.
Ay,